Hey everyone, thanks for checking out my videos. Today I got a new MN. This is the new version of the MN D90, the I guess the classic model camping truck. I think this also comes with the hardtop and also a blue variation. So I did a bunch of research on the MN models, and what I found out was that they do have a new updated version, and the main update is that they now run a 260 motor, and a 7.4 volts battery system, uh, versus the old, I think it was a 180 motor and a 6 volt nickel metal hydride system. So definitely check it and make sure that you're um, getting the right one if you are looking for the updated version. The old version of this D90 came in a red, kind of blue, and a yellow, but they do have the old motor. If you want the new one, it's MN99S, I believe, that has the 260 motor. And also, if you've watched my other videos, I also have the military truck version, I think the MN96 or 98, which also has the updated motor. So I bought one of these metal chassis, came as a kit. I did assemble everything myself and picked up these pretty cool bead locked tires, which are soft, with foam inside. And I'm actually going to switch this body over and swap it onto here. And I wanted to get the kit because I had it in my plans to get the new portal axles I saw. So I pieced this kit together with the portal axles, and it came together pretty nicely. I just have my electronics right here. This is a new style electronics that ESC that I saw for these little guys. It's a 40 amp brushed, supports 2S and 3S. I think this was like $7, so it was pretty good. They also have forward brake reverse, forward reverse, forward brake. So I'm gonna give this a shot, and I have my own, like a repurposed Red Cat transmitter waiting to go. But this is running the 370 motor with reduction gear and the portals, so I think this will be somewhat capable in crawling. So I'm really excited for that. I think this body style is really cool. I especially like this kind of the cab hardtop. I like the open bed. I think that's a nice touch. I know that they do sell it separately as well, but I do like this setup, so that's why I do want to swap this body onto here and make this kind of like the Super Beast D90. And then this kit did come with straight metal axles, which I will be swapping onto the military truck, which I think will be a nice touch too, since I'm running the 2-speed or the 2-speed gearbox, which is pretty cool too. So thanks for checking this out. Stay tuned for the finished project, and stay tuned if you want to see the unboxing of this updated D90. Thanks for watching.